Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. We are here at Lowe's, keeping our fingers crossed that we can find an amazing deal. Hopefully it's in stock, otherwise we'll have to try another store, and we'll see what other clearance we can find along the way. By the way, for this video I'm here with Monica. Do you want to say hi, Monica?
Hi, Monica.
It's close enough. Let's go. And thanks to TJ, almost PJ, but TJ, for the heads up on this amazing deal. Let's get inside. Snowing and it's cold. Boom! We were able to find it. The store said they only had 3. They had 6. It's amazing. Let's pull one out here. So we have the Cobalt 40 volt max pressure washer guy. Comes with a battery and a charger. And at my store it's $25. Some places it was only $13. So you really gotta check your store. But just pulling this up on their app told me what the price in this store was. Trying to find where the barcode went. There's the barcode for the item. Does it say what size the battery is? 2 amp hour battery. There we go, 6 of them at $25 a piece. A couple other clearance deals while we're in the store. We got $2.67 for the gloves. Oh, by the way, the pressure washer, it was on the back wall, so right here, with like snow blowers and everything on the back wall and about the 3rd shelf up. That's where ours were. And only $2 off the Cobalt gloves, not a huge discount there. And something looks like I'm going to have to pick up. Normally $40 down to $25. A little Craftsman workbench. Of course, is this one holding up this sign?
That's your size.
I mean, it's my size.
That's your size.
It's my talent level, maybe. Oh, crap. Okay, so you can't... Okay, it's impossible to buy any of these without taking the sign down. Oh, take a middle one. Take a middle one.
Don't you play
Whoa.
Jenga?
No. I used to play a different game though. They had all goofy size pieces, and you made a tower. You stacked it. I can't remember what it was called, but it was much better than Jenga, but it would make you think kind of similarly. You get a little Jenga square block, and there's all these different pieces, and you go around and you grab the pieces, and you see who can build it up the highest. And there was something with beans. Beans were involved too, but I don't know what the beans did. I can't remember. It's an awesome game though. Okay, in the cart, right? Vamonos. Here we have the Cobalt drill and drive set down to $14.98. That is a 120-piece set. It's not too bad. It comes with the handy case. $49 on the ratcheting wrench set. It's a 20-piece set. Some DeWalt saw blades, almost half off. $34.98 on the little homeowner tool set. Craftsman 500 lumen rechargeable light. Is that doesn't say Craftsman on it. Must be this one. And then, well, that's weird. 797 model 500p. Model 500p. I guess you go with the lowest price. Is that how this works when there's 2 things? The lowest price wins, right? Or take a picture of it when you bring it up to the checkout. $4.98 on the Ox Tools pouch. And $5 off the hammer pry bar set. $9.88 for the rubber mallet. That's a funny looking rubber mallet. Oh, there they are. There they are. Gotta dig. Got half off on some pony clamps, 10-piece spring clamps. That ain't it, but those are for $5 off. Oh, there's some spring clamps. Woo. More gloves. I don't see anything else. Nothing here. Got the Lufkin set that's half off, $10, 2-pack. You get a 25-foot tape measure and the folding knife. I actually have a folding knife just like that by Wiss, which is the same company, and I really like it. This back half pops open that This blade storage, your little lever to open it. Then you get the 25-foot tape. That's what your tape looks like. Nothing on the bottom. $10 off on the Craftsman screwdriver set. Of course, it could be this one. Let's see. Model number. Nope. 68017. That'd be that. So this is $20. 206016. That is not that. Saw this price tag, thought it went to that, and thought, oh, that's an amazing deal. Then I see, oh, this is the price tag for it, and that sounds more like what it should be. Got a Crescent 2-pack of jab saws, $5.98. Looks like we got half price on this DeWalt 110-piece set. We're right down the main drag here up front. Get 4 of those tough cases to go with it. Those things are pretty nice. $99 for that kit. It's been available for a while. You can get the drill or the impact driver. $59 on the Craftsman kits. Again, you can get the drill or the impact driver. Nothing new, that's been out for a while. We have this 8-tool Craftsman combo kit that is $279. And then here we have the $179 for a 5-tool kit. There's your 8-tool one on the other side. You got the big boy Craftsman torque wrench, normally $95 down to $49.98, half-inch drive up to 250 foot-pound. Alright guys, that's it for us. A quick scan of some clearance stuff over here, and of course getting our amazing deal. I'll try and put a link down below to this cobalt washer so you can look it up for yourself, but you're going to have to use the app to check stores by you to see the discounted price, because there's different clearance prices at different stores, and online it's going to show the full price of like $149 or whatever the hell it is. So there it is. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber, and we'll see you next time. You want to say bye, Monica?
Bye, PJ.
We're getting
Bye,
better.
Monica.
We're getting better.